How to set up your language learning plan on Rosetta Stone. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can set up your language learning plan on Rosetta Stone. The first step is to launch the application and then log in into your account just like I've done here. Once you're logged into your account, the language that you're learning will be displayed by the top left corner of the screen, and then move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. So after clicking on the gear icon, you'll be brought to the page where you see details about your account, such as the languages that you're learning and all of that. And then for me, you would see that I have limited options here because I have not yet made payment for the premium version of Rosetta Stone. But for you, if you made payment for for the premium version of Rosetta Stone, on this page you'll see the option for you to choose your level of proficiency, if it's beginner, if it's intermediate, or if it's proficient. Alright, if you're proficient enough. And then you also see the option for you to set your goals. Alright, why do you want to learn the language? Is it for travel? Is it for family? Is it for work visit or beyond? You'll be able to do that. And as time goes on, Rosetta would create a personalized learning plan based on your goals and your current level. And another thing you can try is by tweaking the lesson settings, okay, which is located under the option settings and other speech settings. So you can just click on lesson settings and then you can customize the settings here for the free version of Rosetta Stone. So do you want to learn everything, the 4 basics of learning, which includes reading, writing, speaking, and listening? Or do you want just speaking and listening? Just select the one you want, and then once you're done with that, you can also work on your speech settings, etc. So that's basically how you can go about it. But I advise that you go for the premium version. So by getting the premium version, you'll be able to have a customized learning plan for your learning process on Rosetta Stone. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.